All right, just coming through the river here and noticing a lot of breakage. This is a Y shape. This is a Y shape that splits right there. All of these points are broken off. Snap, 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 snap. And not only that, all of the ends. Every single end, except for the length here, but even that, it's like snap to let you know this has been manipulated. This isn't just a fall. These beavers have been chewing on it a little bit, but they didn't break these ends off. And then over here, there's just another like absurd amount of snappage. These two over here are busted down, and then just gigantic snap on this guy. Like, I mean, if you think this is natural, you need to think again. 1, 2, 3, all busted, big snaps up here, big breaks. That's actually the third. This is the result of it being broken off of here. But I mean, something, could you imagine it just climbing right up here? Or do you think it was tall enough to stand in the river and reach up? You know what I mean? I'm thinking up the tree or out on a limb to snap it. I don't know. I mean, it's just like those are not looking natural at all to me. Very strange. This river leads all the way to the mountains, same creek that I find the footprints on. Sorry to be a bother to the wildlife. Usually I can talk my way through those situations and calm them down, but we're on the golf course here. So this is a place where at night nobody's gonna be. It's wide open. You might have deer and whatnot coming down, plenty to feed on. But this is one of my areas because I know they come in here. So I'm always just checking it out. But those big breaks like that, when you see them all together, all snapped, it's like a telltale sign. I've got snaps above me. This is a snap. Here's a snap. Could have been from last year. Then look at these over here. Just to let others know. Another snap right here. I really think it could be like a territorial symbol marker coming through and just doing some major tree work to let any potential threats in the area know, or whoever's coming through. I certainly find it impressive. But it looks like they've been painting stuff on the trees to inhibit the beavers from chewing it. That's new. Look at that. Big snaps, dude. New snaps. There's a big one around here doing some destruction. Coming through. It's probably the one with those like size 13s that I found, but I'm walking you all the way in. Look at this. Look at these stones. Not only is there another break there, these stones placed up on here. Strange. I think, oh, these might be fresh snaps. Oh, look at that. Some pretty fresh breaks up here, busting down. Those are probably months old. That wasn't like this week or anything, but this is like a Y, suspended Y. That's put up there hanging. Can't remember if that was there last time I was here or not. There's usually a TP build at the end of this trail, which is why I decided to just keep the video rolling. A lot of breakage. Could be snow breakage, but I mean, I don't know. It's a lot of, man, that's a lot of stuff that snapped around here though. Look at these stuck in the ground. Even this with the stone underneath it. This is a placement. This stuff up in the tree here, that's a placement. Big snap up there that is connected to, but stuck in the ground, touching, mind you, touching, stuck in the ground. Look at this big thing stuck in the ground with stones around the base. That's a creation. This is suspended off of the ground, leaning and touching this here. Look at, oh my God, look at the scale of this. So this is up here, touching midair there, connecting down here, and that is touching the one across. Beautiful artwork. Structure in here. Can't remember if this is old or not. Hello, mommy duck. There's a mommy duck in there. But that is somewhat of a structure here. I'm pretty sure I filmed this. This has been here for a while. Could even be a homeless shelter for someone to sleep under, but the human incorporation of this black pipe makes me think that's the plausible denial Bigfoot scenario, and it's rather close to the water. To be sleeping down here, there'd be more mosquitoes closer to the water. Wow. Really interesting with the subtle energies of this touching structure, though. I mean, who knows how big the energy is, because it's from the ground into the trees. It's just, look at that hanging piece of bark. Interesting, you don't see that often. One little piece hanging. Nope. Well, they're definitely down here building. Looks like more destruction up here. So, I would say major things have been happening in this area. Wow. A peeled stick there. Huh. There is a structure right over here. Some major tree splits, though. You see that thing sitting there? That's some major damage. This thing's down here. That wasn't like that last time I was here. Oh, I see something else too. There's also this teepee structure. It's old. This has been here for a while. And also, it looks like maybe the manipulation over here. Again, right on the golf course. Let me see. Kind of like a little shelter area, maybe not though. I don't think that so much is. But this over here definitely is. I've filmed this before, but quite an interesting walk down the creek. Another big snap hanging down into the river, but that's just a little abnormal. So somebody's down here building more structures. Makes me wonder who. I would love to see them. I would love to film them. I would love to wave and say hello, to have any sort of acknowledgement. It would be thrilling. I've had it before, but the red golf ball, the red Sasquatch eye. I think we'll put this on their teepee for the end of the video. But thanks for walking in with me and checking out what was new in the area. And maybe, just maybe, they'll receive this golf ball in a friendly, accepting way. All right, everybody. Take care of yourselves from Sasquatchville, Colorado. Peace.